Hi, good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the some of the important string methods in Python. Last session I explained about the data type, string data type, sequence of characters. Nothing but we are going to call string, which contains alphanumeric, lowercase, uppercase, and all special characters. It can be enclosed with double or single quotes. What is the class for the string data type is str. Then when to go for single quotation, when to go for double quotes, when to go for triple quotes, I explained about the backslash in a string, how to clear the content in a variable, how to remove the string content from the memory. The example I shown to you the previous session, how to accessing characters from the string using index, positive index, reverse index or native index, how it is going to be using slice operator, different options which I explained. How to reverse the string also I explained. Now today we are going to discuss some of the important string methods. Okay, first one, capitalize. What is the use of this one? Means convert the first character to uppercase. Only first character to uppercase. Let us see an example here. My str equal to Python-09. If I go for the print my str dot capitalize, right? We'll see the what is the output we are going to get here. So P is in uppercase now. It is lowercase only first character. To make it to the convert into the uppercase, we can go for the capitalize. Name itself saying that meaningful. String dot upper. What is the meaning? By seeing that you can understand to convert the entire string into the uppercase. Now see that print my str dot. In Java, two uppercase is there, but here we have to go for the only upper, like this. Now I have the str2 equal to abcd is there. I want to convert this one to the lowercase. Print str2 dot lower. It converts to lower it is. That is the capitalize upper lower. Next, swap case. That means in my string, whichever uppercase are there, those I want to convert to the lowercase. Whichever lowercase is, those I want to convert to the uppercase. The swap case we have. Now, str3. str3 equal to boss is there. Now go for print str3 dot swap case. Now see B is converted into the lowercase, remaining comes into the uppercase for us. Now in this string, how many characters are there I want to find? We can go for the, now when you go for the len, we have to use. So in len, we have to use the string. So print len of string we have to specify. Now I go for my str. How many are there? 6 characters are there. Now we'll see that length 6 it going to use for us. Now in str3 or suppose I go for the str4 equal to Madhukar QAIT I given. In this, how many times A occurrence is there I want to find. A occurrence. Then print str4 dot count. Which one do you want to count? A occurrence. Give that one. It is case sensitive. How many times A occurrence is there only here? Two times. So I'm going to get output as 2 here like this. Okay. So swap case len. When we are going to use len, which is the thing you have to remember, in that len we have to provide the string. There are simple methods. Just you have to write, you have to see the how the output is coming. Okay. Other interesting one, case fold is there. Case fold. So we'll see first of all case fold. I have the boss is there here. I will go for the lower case is the Python. So let me go print of my str dot case fold. Okay, I given here. See what will happens. My str. So lowercase, lowercase. Now it is not change the case fold. Now if I go for other thing, print my str dot other uppercase is the str2. Let me go str2 dot case fold. Okay. Now what happened? This uppercase it is converted to the lowercase a b c d. But what is the difference lower to the case fold? So see the difference. Case fold, if only alphabet is there, okay, it work as a lower. But sometimes you may have the other characters like alpha, beta, gamma, like the special characters are there. Those to convert, we can go for the case fold. This type of things you want to convert into the alphabet, we have to go for the case fold. Let us see my here. I have the BO beta is there. Okay. Now I want to convert that one. My str equal to Bob is there. This is a beta my here. Now print of my str dot lower I'm using. We'll see the difference my here. Lower print my str dot case fold. There's a difference. If you have the special characters like this you want to convert into the alphabet, we can go for the case fold. Now see, lower is as it is given. Uppercase is lower is converted. That is the only importance of the lower. But case fold beta is converted as a SS or not, like this. So if you are working strictly in English language, lower and case fold returns exactly the same result. You not find difference. So if you are trying to normalize text from another languages that use more than English, 26 that alphabet, use casefold to compare your strings for more consistent result. Like alpha, beta, gamma, these things are there, means you can go for the casefold we can use. Okay, there's a casefold. String dot find. What is the use of this one? Searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So we have previously, so find. So in Java we have the index of is there. Similar way it is. such as the strings for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Now let me go. Here already str4 Madhukar created a given where a occurs is that I want to find. So I can go for the print str4 dot find of a. So 2 times a is the lowercase a. Now we'll see that what the output we are going to get. By default, first occurrence one it going to returns to you. Lowercase, uppercase consists different. Lowercase a first occurrence is at 1. If I give an uppercase means it can 9 it is. This position is given for us. In a similar way, we have the string dot index. We have the index. So it is also same like you find here, but what is the difference understand here? The index method is similar to find method for a strings. The only difference is that find method returns -1 if the substring is not found. Okay, so that's the advantage. But when you go for the index, if it is not available, it gives a error message to you. Okay, that's what the difference is there. Let us see the difference here. Print str4 dot index of a 1. If I go for print str4 dot find something like z I give up, which is not available, then what happens here? You see that -1 continues. But if you go for the print str4 dot index, if the z if I given which is not available, so it's showing the error, value error is saying that substring not found. Okay, there's a difference. When interview point of view, find index they are going to generally. So you want to continue the execution even though string is not there. Instead of terminating, we have to go for the find. Now you can go for the index. Next one, split. So what is the use of split here? So to split the string into the character wise, we can go for the split. So how we can go for that? Based on delimiter, we can specify that to split the string here. Now see that split the string on a specified delimiter and return the list of substring. So small red, green, blue is there. Okay, let me take this thing. S dot here come single quotation red comma green comma blue. So everything I given within the string format here. Now what I want to split this one x equal to s dot split. What is the delimiter I want to go? Comma. If I done like this, how the values are going to just understand it is. So x equal to it comes like this x equal to first one is red one value, second value as string value, second value is green. Okay, now see whenever I use the split here, this is the way how it is going to convert x equal to red as a list form. It's going to be red green blue like this. Okay, now after split what I want to see that I can go for the print of x I given. See that output how it is going. Now one value first value I want to get x of 0 again. Index starts with a 0. Now you can see like this. That the split is going to be. Now this values I want to go for the join. So we have the once I splitted this values I want to join. You can go for the join here like this. Join the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. My color equal to red, x equal to my color dot split. I give it print of x. That means red, green, blue we are going to get. Now I want to join by providing some my interested character or substring. You can go for the join operator dot join of x. That means here I want to join, comma is there. In place of comma I want to go for at the rate. So I can say at the rate print of at the rate dot join of what? Here x it is, xi given. Now see the output how we are going to get red, green, blue like this are going to get the output. So see join, remember that list values you want to join, then only we can go for that. You can't concatenate the strings using the join. So once you split it, this is in the list form. Those values only you want to join, we can go for the so join method. Split and join is the related functions. Okay. Now I have the x equal to ABC is there. Print of xi given. Let us see what is the output ABC I'm going to get. Now what I want to do here, I want to center this one. So center this one. So how I can go for that means print. Center means some length is required or not. So I'm going to say that x dot center of, so for 20 characters size, I want a 20 character size it has to take, in that it has to centralize this ABC. Here 10 characters it will take white spaces. After ABC again 10 character white space going to consider. Now print. Now instead of white spaces something I want to say it is x dot center 20 comma what you want. I want to go for the stars. Now see that 10 stars here, 10 stars here. Like this going to centralize. Okay. So total it consider as a 20 are given. Now you count more here how it is going to total size is 20 characters in that. So ABC is going to be centered to you. That's going to given to you. Total including your string it considers as a given size. In that middle you are going to get it is. To center. Method will center align the string using a specified character. Space is default. You're not specifying anything, space considers. If specify something, that it going to consider to you. Okay. Next one. To remove the spaces, white spaces you want to remove, you can go for the right side spaces. If I go for the trim is there, leading trailing spaces to remain Java. Here, right side space only you want to remove, R strip. Left side spaces you want to remove, L strip. Strip means both side spaces to remove it is. Simple example, my val equal to space xyz I given space. Now I want to find the length of the string. Length of my val I given. Now what is the output I will get my here? 1 plus 3 plus 1. That means 5 I am going to get. See 5 I got here. Now what I will do print length of my val. Okay. Of my val dot. I want to remove the leading space. Leading means this space. Leading means L strip we have to say. Dot L strip. Okay. Now we'll see that L strip, my bad. Method inside the method is not going to allow you. So what I will do here, first I will go for the something like A equal to. Okay. After that, print len of A. Java allows, VB script allows, but Python is not going to allow. Because how I know I'm coming to know it is without execute is by color code by saying it is 4. So if 5 is there, only one space going to be removed. Okay. You see that print of A, there no space. But if you see print of my value, if I given space we are getting here, we don't have space. Same way, trailing space you want to remove, right side space. Both spaces you want to remove, we can go for the strip we have to use. In place of trim, strip we have to use. Leading and trailing spaces to remove. Middle space it won't remove, only leading and trailing spaces to remove, we can go for this. Now, one more string method, replace. To replace substring or characters in a string, we can go for the replace. So str1 equal to Ramana is there. A I want to replace it at the rate. Print str1 dot replace A comma dollar I give one. So how many times A occurrence is it, that many times going to replace to you. Okay. Now see my here. A equal to Ramana. Then print A dot replace A comma dollar I want to get. What happened? Print A dot replace of which character I want to replace. A, that is also string. A I want to replace. Not here, no, here. Okay, I will take some other name for this. There's a thing I did here. So S equal to or S1 equal to Ramana, I'm going to give. Then print S1 dot replace. Which character do you want to replace? Old character. The new character. I want to go for the dollar. Like this I'm going to. Now here str2 equal to, I have the, so string like this, SR Nagar is there. The middle space I want to remove. How we can go for that? If you see that, print str2 dot strip I use. What is the output I will get? Guess it is SR Nagar only are going to get space. It won't remove because middle space it is. Strip will remove only leading and trailing space. Now middle space I want to remove. How we can do that? Print str2 dot, so replace. What do you want to replace? So space I want to replace with the empty. Now see that like this. Middle space you want to remove like this. Plus operator. This is the operator. We you know that to concatenate the strings we can go for the plus operator. A equal to Rama is there. B equal to Seta is there. If I go for the print A plus B. It will concatenate. Okay. Now same thing, comma also you can use. A comma B. See the difference. When you use comma, by default one character space it go into text. Okay. There's a difference. Plus comma. Both we can use to concatenate. But when you go for the comma, by default you are going to get the space. Okay. One more thing you see that. Another example. So n equal to 250 is there. If I go for print a plus n, is it going to accept or not? N is integer, so one is string, gives error to you. But if I go for the print a comma n, allows here. Okay, so plus strictly integer string data type we have to use. Comma means any data type we can join here. Okay, join is only for the list values to join, not for the string values. Remember that use a string function. So there we have to go for the only list to join, list to. So join, we can go for the join method. To strings you want to concatenate either plus or comma we can use. Multiply operator is the string multiplier. What is the use of this one? So now string multiplier, suppose here print 3 multiplied one integer value, then I given Madhukar, Madhu I given. Now see output what is going to happen. Madhu is repeated 3 times. If I go print, so first string I given Madhu, then multiply 3 I given. Still same output are going to get. So any sequence, but remember that one is integer, other one is string you have to use. Then multiply operator going to works. Okay, asterisk is going to multiply. So format string format we are going to call. I want display like this. Hi Smith, welcome to my channel, Madhukar QAIT. Okay, how we can go for this? Two values I'm going to take. A equal to Smith, B equal to Madhukar QAIT. Try to understand because reporting time this format is important. Okay, same value multiple times instead of writing variable we are going to define, we are going to get into the different format here. Print in single quotation. Hi Smith, I want percentage s after comma. So welcome to my channel, percentage s. By default first here s, here also s is there, and this one comma. Then what I can go here, we can go, we can go for percentage of a comma b. I'm going to give like this. Just run it is percentage. Let me remove this one. There you go. Yeah, here we should not give. So now if I run it is as they displayed here, right? Now see where I went wrong here. We'll see once again. Yeah, now you got the output here. I given the comma here, right? So that comma is making the problem. Now print. So once again, print hi. Here I want to get one variable value, comma, welcome to my channel. And also I want to get s, comma, percentage of a, comma, b. It's comma again I written. Comma you should not write here. By mistake. Here you should not write comma. This is the one way to get. The other way here, format also we can use. Format operator print hi. Here I want one value hi Smith, comma, then space. Welcome to my channel. Dot format of a, comma, b. Either one you can use, it is your choice. So this one you can use, this one you can use. Okay. Percentage string format, like this one also you can use. Similar way, we have the some other values to check true or false values going to return. Completely is numeric value or alphanumeric or only alphabet is there in your string. To check, we can go for the string dot is all num. That means the method returns the true if the string is non-empty and all characters in it are alphanumeric. Otherwise, return the false. Is alphabet. So name is the alpha is alpha. Only A to Z uppercase, lowercase going to allow true. Otherwise, going to return the false. Same with some other string compare methods are there. Is decimal, is digit, is numeric. So digit returns the true if all characters in the string are digits. Is numeric returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. So is lower, is upper, true or false value going to returns for us. Okay. Try these examples. My is digit is numeric. Give the one string with decimal value. So without decimal value, you can give and you can check it is going to return the true or false values for us. Okay. So like this. These are the different kind of string important string methods I given. Try and practice on this. Any doubts are there? Just give the comment section. I'm going to give the explanation to you. Okay. Thank you. Try to subscribe my channel.